ya huyu lakini yuko zaidi. Kwa hivyo nawe hapa yuko nusu yake.
Registration of SHIF is ongoing. As at yesterday, we had way over 100,000 people who have registered for SHIF, and registration will continue from when it was announced. We are targeting up to 3 months of continuous registration, but that does not stop anybody to register even after 3 months. NHIF is still on force as at now. So anybody who wants to seek services from the health facilities, the extension for NHIF, it will only come to a close when SHIF is rolled out completely. And maybe those are some of the questions that many people would want answered, whether NHIF is still on force or we have completely scrapped it off. We cannot remove NHIF until SHIF is rolled out.